Customize WordPress permalinks for better SEO and user experience. And today, I'm going to show you how to change the link structure, also known as permalinks, of your WordPress website. This is an important step for improving your website's SEO and enhancing the user experience. Step 1. Understanding permalinks. First, let's understand what a permalink is. A permalink is the URL that you see for any page or post on your website. For example, if you visit a page on your site, the URL in the address bar is the permalink. By default, WordPress may use a plain permalink structure, which isn't very user-friendly or SEO-friendly. Step 2. Accessing permalink settings. To change the permalink structure, log into your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to Settings and then click on Permalinks. This will take you to the permalink settings page, where you can customize how your URLs look. Step 3. Choosing a permalink structure. On the permalink settings page, you'll see several options. By default, the plain structure is selected, which means your URLs look like this. This format is not ideal for SEO or user readability. To change this, select the postname option. This will change your URLs to a more readable format like http://yourwebsite.com/sample-post/. Once you've selected post name, click Save Changes. Step 4. Verifying changes. After saving the changes, go back to your website and refresh the page. You should now see that your URLs are more readable. For example, if you open a blog post, the URL will show the name of the post instead of a random number. Step 5. Customizing individual post permalinks. Now, what if you want to change the permalink of a specific post? Let's look at an example blog post. To change the permalink, go to the post editor by clicking Edit. In the editor, you'll see the current permalink in the URL field on the right sidebar. Click on the permalink to edit it. Enter your desired text for the new permalink and close the editing window. Finally, click Update to save your changes. You'll see that the permalink has been updated. Step 6. Important considerations. It's important to note that you should only change permalinks for new posts. If you change the permalink of an older post that has already been indexed by search engines or linked to other websites, those links will break, and you might lose traffic. If you need to change permalinks on an established site without affecting your SEO, you can use a redirection plugin to redirect old URLs to new ones. And that's it. You've successfully changed the permalink structure of your WordPress website. This simple change can greatly improve your site's SEO and make your URLs more user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and take care.